Okay, now that you have named your site and you have picked, you've named your site and you've picked a font scheme and color scheme that you like, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to replace this header. So we want to change the image, and I do that just by clicking on it and selecting change image. And since we've already uploaded the image, it saves us some hard work right here. We're just going to go to select. And so the moral of that story is that you need to gather all the things that you want on your website before you actually get ready to start building it. So when we build the school store website, we're going to have images of all of the products and everything already in a folder. Then we just sit down and start sliding them in, and it makes it a whole lot easier. Okay, so when you go to select image, it gives you a gallery of pictures that are already there. The cool thing is you can go search for something. So if you just needed a clip art picture of a football or whatever, you can search for it here and use it. But for the most part, when you build things, you're going to use your own images. And what do you notice is there right at the top, and it's the first folder. Your website folder. That's why we started it with a 0. So I'm going to go in, and I'm going to choose my header image, and I'm going to go to select. And you're going to notice it right over here, these little stars start twinkling, and it says adjust for readability. Okay, what that means is it's going to kind of wash out the image somewhat so that your font on top of it, you'll be able to read it. Okay, so you're going to put my website as the name, and what do we need to do to the first letters? Yes, the caps lock was on and I didn't know. We're going to name it my website. You've got your header, and if you notice, it looks like it's cut off, but it's actually not. When you go to preview your website, you'll be able to see that here's what it looks like from a cell phone. Here's what it looks like from a tablet. And from the desktop right now, it does look cut off, but everybody look at me. As you add more information, you'll be able to scroll, and that header image will roll at the top, and it's pretty neat. Okay, so the only thing we did in these videos, we added the header by changing the image, and we added the my website, and I showed you that you can see the different previews for the different devices that you can look at. Okay, so I'm going to stop there, and I do want you to try to get your header done before you walk out today, and it's automatically saved, so you don't have to worry about, where did I save it, how do I save it. It's saved in your Google Drive.